Allow us to introduce how new startup programs are created on Bertie. This short walkthrough will see how a program manager can build a complete startup journey step by step using the program section of the platform. From here, the program manager can easily create a new one by clicking Add Program in the top right corner. Let's click on the plus icon. Here we can give our new program a name, add a description, and set a few important details. It's important to remember that the more detailed and thoughtfully designed the program is, the better Bertie can support founders throughout their journey. Bertie learns from the programs created, meaning that a well-structured setup helps it to provide smarter guidance and more relevant insights. Once you're ready, hit Save. After saving, we can open our newly created program from the list. As you can see, the workspace is empty for now. This is where we will start defining the structure. Let's click Create Startup Stage to add our first stage. Here, we can name the stage, set its duration, describe its goals, and choose how often business reports are generated. Each stage represents a key milestone in the startup journey. Once we save it, our first stage appears on the program timeline. Great! Now we can continue adding as many stages as we need to shape the full development path. Next, let's open one of the stages by clicking Board. This opens the stage's dedicated workspace, the Venture Development Board. Here, we can start defining what founders will work on during this phase. On the left, we can add a short stage description, and on the right, we can click Add Business Pillar to establish the primary focus areas. Each business pillar acts as a column in the development framework, giving structure to the startup's learning and progress. Within each pillar, we will now add individual tasks that guide the founder step by step. Click on the plus icon below the pillar name and give our new task a title. This brings us to the task editor. Here, we can describe what needs to be achieved, specify any prerequisites, define clear actions, and add supporting materials or related tasks. When adding supporting materials, we can also pull content directly from the Knowledge Hub. This is one of Bertie's most powerful features. It allows the program manager to attach targeted learning materials to each specific task, so founders always have the right resources exactly where they need them. Once all the stages, pillars, and tasks are in place, our full program takes shape. We can see the finished program structured into stages. Each stage has its own venture development board filled with relevant pillars and guided tasks. Together, they create a comprehensive journey that supports founders from idea to sustainable growth. And that's it. We've just built a complete professional startup program, detailed, structured, and ready to empower founders on their development journey. By designing thoughtful, well-organized programs, the program manager ensures that Bertie can learn, adapt, and provide more valuable support, helping every startup progress from vision to success.